Good morning. Today is Thursday, January 22nd, 2026. I'm here at Doctor's Lake Marina, and this is an inspection video for not done. Before I show you the bottom and the estimation of how long it would take to clean, I do want to go over your zincs. You have two R4 trim tab zincs. You have two 2-inch shaft zincs. There is a stern thruster and there is a bow thruster. Both of those zincs are a size A prop nut zinc, and it looks like the stern thruster, or it feels like the stern thruster needs one. So I'm going to go ahead and get a video, and then we'll do an estimate of how long it will take to clean. I don't believe it's going to take longer than 2 hours to clean. So thank you for choosing DS Dive.